Power up your plate. Fueling active lifestyles. Staying energized is key when you're always on the go. It's easy to reach for sugary snacks or processed foods for a quick pick-me-up, but these choices often lead to energy crashes, leaving you feeling sluggish and depleted. The secret to sustained energy lies in making smart food choices that nourish your body and fuel your active lifestyle. Think of your body as a high-performance machine. Just like a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly, your body needs nutrient-rich foods to perform at its best. This means focusing on whole, unprocessed foods that provide a steady release of energy throughout the day. By making conscious choices about what you eat, you can power through your workouts, conquer your to-do list, and feel fantastic. It's time to ditch the energy roller coaster and embrace a balanced approach to eating that supports your active life. In this guide, we'll explore some quick and easy recipes packed with nutrients to keep you feeling energized and ready to take on the day. Get ready to power up your plate and unlock your full potential. Recipe 1: Overnight Oats. Energy on autopilot. Start your day with an energy boost that practically makes itself. Overnight oats are a breakfast game changer. They're incredibly easy to prepare, packed with nutrients, and perfect for those rushed mornings. Simply combine rolled oats, your favorite milk or yogurt, chia seeds, and a touch of honey or maple syrup in a jar. Leave it in the fridge overnight and wake up to a creamy, delicious breakfast that will keep you feeling full and satisfied for hours. The beauty of overnight oats lies in their versatility. Get creative and customize them with your favorite toppings for an added burst of flavor and nutrition. Add a handful of fresh berries for antioxidants, a sprinkle of nuts and seeds for healthy fats and protein, or a dollop of nut butter for extra staying power. For those extra busy mornings, prepare a few jars in advance so you'll always have a nutritious breakfast ready to grab and go. With minimal effort, you can fuel your body with a breakfast that's as delicious as it is convenient, setting you up for a day filled with energy and vitality. Recipe 2: Power Salad Jars. Your portable nutrition powerhouse. Salads are a fantastic way to pack in a variety of nutrients, but who wants to deal with soggy greens and messy dressings on a busy day? Enter Power Salad Jars, a convenient and delicious way to enjoy a nutritious salad anytime, anywhere. These portable meals are perfect for work lunches, post-workout refueling, or a quick and healthy dinner option. To create your own power salad jar, start with a layer of your favorite dressing at the bottom. This will prevent the other ingredients from becoming soggy. Next, add a layer of hearty grains like quinoa or brown rice for sustained energy. Then get creative with your favorite veggies. Think crunchy cucumbers, bell peppers, carrots, or leafy greens. To complete your power salad jar, add a source of lean protein such as grilled chicken breast, chickpeas, or tofu. Seal the jar tightly and store it in the fridge for a grab-and-go meal that's as convenient as it is nutritious. When you're ready to eat, simply shake the jar to distribute the dressing and enjoy a refreshing and energizing meal. Recipe 3: Quick Quinoa Fiesta. A flavor-packed energy boost. Looking for a quick and satisfying meal that's bursting with flavor and energy? Look no further than this: Quick Quinoa Fiesta. Quinoa, a complete protein and excellent source of fiber, takes center stage in this dish, providing a sustained release of energy to power you through your day. To prepare this simple yet satisfying meal, start by rinsing quinoa under cold water to remove any bitterness. Then, combine the quinoa with water or broth in a saucepan and bring it to a boil. Reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 15 minutes, or until the liquid is absorbed and the quinoa is cooked through. While the quinoa is cooking, prepare your favorite fiesta-inspired toppings. Think black beans, corn, salsa, avocado, and a dollop of Greek yogurt, or a sprinkle of cheese for extra protein. Once the quinoa is cooked, fluff it with a fork and mix in your desired toppings. This quick quinoa fiesta is a delicious and versatile meal that can be enjoyed hot or cold, making it perfect for meal prep or a quick and easy dinner option.